Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to share with you 10 most interesting facts about how to earn money through YouTube. So before we move on to the topic, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button for watching more interesting content. So guys, the first most interesting fact about making money through YouTube is multiple revenue streams. Guys, do you know that YouTubers don't rely solely on ad revenue? They can make money through sponsorships, merchandise sales, channel memberships, super chats, affiliate marketing, and even crowdfunded platforms like Patreon. The next most interesting fact is ad revenue. Depends on CPM and CPC. YouTubers earn from ads based on CPM, cost per mil, and CPC, cost per click. CPM pays per 1,000 ad views, while CPC pays when viewers click the ad. Rates vary widely depending on the audience, niche, and country, ranging from 50 cents to $10 per 1,000 views. Okay, now move on to the next interesting fact, that is niche. I would like to tell you that certain niches like finance, tech reviews, education, and luxury lifestyles tend to earn more ad revenue because advertisers are willing to pay higher rates. Conversely, entertainment niches like gaming or vlogging often have lower CPMs, but can make up for it with larger audiences. The fourth most interesting fact is consistency beats virality. Many YouTubers earn more from consistent uploads than from occasional viral hits. A loyal subscriber base that regularly engages with content often brings in more steady income than unpredictable spikes in views. Okay, now I would like to tell you about another most interesting fact. That is, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. To qualify for YouTube's partner program, YPP, and start earning ad revenue, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Achieving this is often the first major milestone for aspiring creators.
Now we move on to the next fact, that is live streams and super chats. Live streams provide unique earning opportunities through super chats and super stickers, where fans pay to highlight their comments during a stream. This can be a significant income stream for creators with a highly engaged fan base. The next most interesting fact is merchandise shelf for eligible channels. Creators with over 10,000 subscribers can use YouTube's merch shelf to sell products directly from their channel. Popular items include branded t-shirts, mugs, and custom accessories. Okay, I would like to tell you another most interesting fact, that is, revenue is seasonal. YouTube ad revenue often spikes during the holiday season, October to December, because advertisers increase their budgets to target holiday shoppers. Conversely, revenue may dip in January when ad budgets reset. Okay, now move on to the next fact, that is YouTube Shorts monetization. Since 2023, YouTube allows monetization of Shorts, its vertical video format. Ads shown in between shorts can generate income for creators, though the payout model is different and often less lucrative compared to long-form videos. I would like to tell you about the top 1% earn millions. The most successful YouTubers like MrBeast or PewDiePie earn millions annually, not just from YouTube ads, but also through business ventures, brand deals, and product lines. However, the vast majority of creators earn modest amounts and often supplement YouTube income with other jobs. Guys, I hope you like my video, and you can learn so much by watching my content. It will help you to understand some facts about earning money through YouTube. Guys, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you, bye-bye.